Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essa and I am joined today with my small assistant Zaya. And today we're going to be baking the simplest cake we could find. So I thought that this would be the first cake that I would bring to you guys because it's the simplest. And for those who have no idea on where to start in baking, this is a good point to start from because all the ingredients can be found in your pantry. The only thing that you'd probably need to buy is the vanilla essence. So without further ado, let's get into the cake. So to start with, you're just going to get your baking tray or your pot like I'm doing, and you're either going to line it with some oil or parchment paper and put it aside. Then you're going to put in a bowl 1 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix that together and put aside. If you don't have a mixer, you're going to get a blender. Put in your 4 eggs, one cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of oil or melted butter. Then you're just going to blend that for about 3 minutes. If you don't have a blender as well, a whisk will simply do. Once it is done blending, just put that in your mixing bowl. You're going to add in your flour mixture, so you're just going to do it in portions, and then you're going to just fold that in without mixing vigorously. Then you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract. Then you're going to fold that in as well, and your cake batter is done. Next, you're going to put in your mixture into your pot or your tray and insert that into the oven. You're going to bake the cake at 180 degrees for about 5 minutes. So as you've seen guys, that was the recipe for this beautiful amazing cake, and really simple to make, and it has come out looking really nice and spongy and soft, and the texture is just amazing. So I hope you guys give it a try, and if you do, please tag me on my social media. I'd really like to know if I helped you to be a good baker, and tell me what you think about the cake, if you enjoyed it, if your family enjoyed it, and I will see you guys again next week for another baking episode. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.